driving up Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, Casamigos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like saying
Alright boys, let's go. We're on this 21 skater. Juan just finished building it, and I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride. So
It might not play with 3 people.
what prop are you running?
Move forward, Yami.
What prop are you running?
26.5 rev 4.
Okay.
But I don't have a manual jack plate. That's why.
Oh.
I can't bring it down to plane.
Got it.
Alright, you can go.
It's a beautiful day in the Keys, and we're gonna go to ISLAMORADA Sandbar. So let's go.
ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes. Taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great. Popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. La, 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 la.
Me quedé tranquilo si un hijo de puta me choteó en medio de esta situación.
She ran good, bro. Very impressed.
She didn't fail.
She didn't fail. But that's a good thing about having a brand new motor, right?
It can still happen.
Yeah, it's a brand new Mercury. It's unlikely for something to happen. But this is the first time Yami and I are on a skater. Or 21 skater. 21 skater.
I've been on Spectres, I haven't been on skaters.
Is it 21 Spectre?
Oh. I'm saying that I've been on Spectres, I've never been on skaters before this. Well, actually no, that's BS. I've been on those 21.
That's old. No, I really like this vibe. I like this more than the Talon.
I mean, yeah.
I do. But again, the talent is her talent. I need me a skater.
We'll work on that
You
one.
need an hour, skater. What's yours is mine, what's mine is mine.
I think you already got your boat. I think you just gotta be with it now.
She got her boat already.
What's yours is mine and what's mine is mine.
Now we gotta get myself a skater.
Yeah.
An upgrade, and then the talent, the checkmate will just be a family boat. An OG family
That's
boat.
our class 7. That's our class 7.
That's my class. We have my race boat.
Our class 7.
That's our. Can we race? Can we race? Can we race the checkmate in class 7? It'll be a little
20
sketchy.
to 22 feet.
Doesn't matter.
It's small. Like everyone runs 21s and 22s. But we can do it.
Just for the footage and for the fun of it.
For the fuck of it.
For the fuck of it, even if we lose every single time.
Yeah. I mean, speed limit's 60 or 65 miles an hour in that class.
Okay.
So it doesn't matter what power you have. You just
Oh, I can do.
can't go more than 65.
I can do 65, no problem. I just gotta build it heavy again then. Build it heavy, make it.
With proper stringers this time.
We need cool helmets.
So that we don't have water staying inside the
Pink.
boat.
But our helmets are gonna be pink though.
Cool helmets and cool like gear, okay?
Our helmets and our uniform is pink.
I don't know about all that.
That can be discussed later.
Yeah, like, figure that out.
Alright guys, I'm gonna give you guys a quick little walk around of Juan's new 21 skater. It's powered by a brand new 250 Optimax. This is a brand new power head. It only had probably 15 or 20 hours on it since he's owned it, but he's owned this as brand new. And this boat is absolutely gorgeous, man. He bought the boat in pieces and he built it all within a week. So if you guys didn't know, Mercury has an option that you can buy a brand new power head from them with 1 year warranty for about a 250 power head for about $12,000. And that's what Juan did. He bought the power head new, and then he just bought the cowling and everything else separately, and now he has a brand new motor, a brand new 2-stroke with 0 issues. And I think that's the route that we're gonna go on for the Talon. The boat is wrapped, but it looks absolutely beautiful in the water. This is Juan's family's company, Miami Total Marine. This Avanti is for sale, and they also have a few other ones if you guys are in the market. This is an 80-mile-an-hour boat right here. Triple 300s, brand new 2022. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna do a complete walk around this boat on the next video, so stay tuned for that one. I'm also, once the sandbar starts getting a little crazier, we're gonna do a complete walk around on the sandbar. Please subscribe, comment down below what you guys think, and I'm gonna end the video here. All right.
We're just getting started. I know that you want it, baby. Just get on it, ready to go. We know how to party. Pull out the Bacardi, feel it in my body. Put on a show. Yeah, let's go. Nah, we ain't never gonna slow down. All the girls looking hot like a hoe down. Everybody going off in my hometown, ready for a showdown. Keep it on the low now. We about to pop off like a bottle. Everybody knows that we're going full throttle. Drinking alcohol, yeah, straight from the nozzle. End of the night, end up horizontal. They know they want something more. They know they want something more. They've never heard us before. They've never heard us before. A sound that's hard to ignore. A sound that's hard to ignore. It's time to even the score. Oh, yeah, we party like the 8. Yeah, we party like the 8.